Today we'll be discussing the family Berberidaceae. Some general family characteristics. They can be herbs or shrubs, and leaves can have some variation as well. They can be alternate, opposite, or fascicled, but are generally simple. Inflorescence can be terminal or axillary with racemes or seams of umbels. Flowers can be bisexual, but are usually radially symmetric. Sepals 6, petals 6 to 9, nectaries present, stamen 6. Ovary usually superior, and they can demonstrate marginal or basal placentation, as well as fruits can be follicle, berries, or utricles. Within the Berberidaceae family, there's quite a few different species, approximately 700, comprising 18 genera of flowering plants, often referred to as the barberry family. This belongs to the Ranunculales order. Berberis is the genus that has the majority of species within it, and the plant we used for our live dissection belongs to this genus as well. This is a diverse family and encompasses trees, shrubs, perennial herbaceous plants, as we saw from the family characteristics. So with the diverse number of species within this family, we also see a wide distribution across the globe. It's found in North and South America, Africa, and Asia, but is particularly abundant in the northern temperate zones. So a few interesting facts. Many species, specifically in the Berberis genus, have medicinal properties where they contain berberin alkaloids that have antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Several species have edible fruits that can be turned into jams and jellies. There's also cultural significance in indigenous cultures, as well as in traditional Chinese medicine. They have been used for dyes, food, among other things. And some species even have touch-sensitive stamen, which enhance pollen dispersal. So to start off the live dissection, you can see here the woody part of the stem is yellow in coloration, indicating the presence of berberin. Then we have 1, 2, 3 sepals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outer petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inner petals. And then for stamen, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here we have a good view of the gynoecium, and we can see a superior ovary. So it looks like one carpel. We'll do a cross section and find out. So here's the cross section, and you can see a unilocular carpel with marginal placentation. Okay, so here we have a nice view of the longitudinal cross section, and you can see it just confirms marginal placentation and one carpel. So our specimen does a pretty good job of demonstrating some of the characteristics of the Berberidaceae family. We can see through its morosity, the number of sepals and petals, both inner and outer. As well, we can see that it has radial symmetry, and it's a bisexual flower, evident by the ovary and the stamen. We saw that it was monocarpic, with a superior ovary. While it wasn't included in our specimen, the fruit is a berry, and the flowers as a whole did represent a indeterminate raceme inflorescence. Another thing that wasn't included within our specimen but is worth mentioning is the leaves. For Berberis, they also fit the family characteristics of Berberidaceae, as they are 1 to 10 centimeter long simple leaves, and these can have smooth or spiny margins. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for today. Tune in next time for another episode of Plant Dissections.